So in a lot of your programs, what you'll see is a reverse banded hack squat. And what we mean by that is adding a band as such at the top of the machine. Now, the actual setup process can be quite complex. So the reason I want to do this video is to give you an easy sort of method or easy guide to follow, so you can set it from yourself at home. So most of you will have a hack squat like so. If it's a little bit different, you're just going to message either one of us and we'll help you set it up, where it's got an attachment at the back which we can attach the band to. So what we're going to do is just put the band around the top like so, and I've got Ali, my wee helper, to help me set up. So that's how it's going to go. Now, to help us attach this band to the back of the machine, I've just got a daisy chain and a clip. So all we're going to be doing is just threading that through either side of the daisy like so. And from there, all I'm going to do, take it round, and then we're going to clip it, that's that way, clip it at the back. So you can see here that the daisy, the clip, is attached to the band. After this, what we're going to do is just get Ali to jump in and give you a visual representation of how that looks at the bottom. So now that you've got your band set up, you're going to need to determine how tight or how much you want it to pull on and give you a little bit of help. So what Ali's going to do is just unrack it. Now what you'll see is as he drops down, right as he gets into that bottom range, the band tension kicks on. So from there, just pause there, Ali, if you can. The band is actually helping him out of this weak position to then press back up as he comes back up. As you can see, when he hits just out of that mid-range, where he's very, very strong, the band's going to kick off, and if we had a bit of load on here, it would hit him like a ton of bricks. So one more. As he drops down to the bottom of the hack squat, which we know that's his weak range, the band's pulling up, helping him. And as he pushes upward, gets into that mid-range, no band tension, weight's going to hit him like a ton of bricks, and that'll determine at what point the band's going to kick on and how you can set your band up for yourself.